Hi, welcome my dear students. Uh, Today we are discussing a different problematic part in multiple and submultiple angles. On part of this, now we have first problem: if sin A plus sin 2A equal to x and cos A plus cos 2A equal to y, then we have to prove that x square plus y square into x square plus y square minus 3 is equal to 2y, right? This is what we require to prove. See, my dear students, how we will do this particular problem, you please observe here. This is first we have x is given, y is given. We need to find x square plus y square here, of course. See here, x square plus y square is equal to, we have here something like sin A plus sin 2A. Okay, this is whole square, x square plus y square. Y square is here cos A plus cos 2A whole square, like this. Cos A plus cos 2A whole square. This is what x square plus y square. This is equal to now sin square A plus sin square 2A plus 2 sin A sin 2A plus 2 sin A into sin 2A, like this. Right? Plus cos A you are having here like this. This is now cos square A plus cos square 2A plus, right, 2 cos A into cos 2A. 2 cos A into cos 2A, right? This is what we are having like this. Now see my dear students, sin square A plus cos square A is 1. 1 plus sin square 2A plus cos square 2A is also 1. Plus here 2 sin A sin 2A plus 2 cos A cos 2A we are having. 2 if we take common here, we have here something like cos 2A cos A plus sin 2A sin A. We are having like this. Okay, my dear students. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 into, this is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. This is nothing but cos A minus B formula. Cos A minus B formula is here cos 2A minus A. That means you have got cos A like this. 2 if I take common here, 1 plus cos A we are having like this. Right? Fine. 2 plus 2 cos A, or you can write it as 2 times of 1 plus cos A, no problem. Like now let us take another one, x square plus y square minus 3 also here. If you take x square plus y square minus 3, this is actually, now only we got x square plus y square as 2 plus 2 cos A minus 3, like this. That means, see my dear students, what we have got is 2 cos A minus 1, like this, right? Fine. Now what we need required to do is here we need to multiply the things here. We need to multiply the things what we have here. Please observe my dear students here. X square plus y square, we have here x square plus y square into x square plus y square minus 3, like this. Right? X square plus y square is equal to actually 2 plus 2 cos A into, okay, x square plus y square minus 3, we have got 2 cos A minus 1, like this. This is equal to now 2 into 2 cos A, right? That is what you are going to get. Fine. You are going to get that as 2 into 2 cos A, that is 4 cos A, 4 cos A, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 cos A into 2 cos A, that is right, 4 cos square A, 4 cos square A you are going to get, right, my dear students. And 2 cos A minus 1, that is minus 2 cos A, minus 2 cos A, right? Fine. Now if we simplify this part here, 4 cos square A minus 2 cos A, what we are going to get is 2 cos square A, right? 2 cos square A, wonderful. Now we have here this thing like 2 cos square A minus 2 plus 4 cos A plus 4 cos A. We are having like this, right, my dear students. Now what we do is here, if I take common here 2, if I take 2 common, cos square A minus 1, like this, right? Cos square A minus 1 right? Now see, my dear students, what we are having is here 4 cos square a, 4 cos square a minus 2, 4 cos a minus 2 cos a, that is 2 cos a. Now 4 cos, now we take 2 common in this, we will get 2 cos square a minus 1, right? For this, if we take like this, plus cos a. Wonderful, right, my dear students? Once we have got like this, this 2 cos square a minus 1 is nothing but 2 times of, this formula is nothing but cos 2a plus cos a, we are having like this, right? 2 times of cos 2a plus cos a, that is nothing but 2 into y, right? Wonderfully we have taken actually here the left hand side part and we got the right hand side part. See how beautifully we have got this problem, my dear students, right? Yeah, so just we did x square plus y square, x square plus y square minus 3 we got, we just multiplied and we simplified, we got it as equal to 2y. That's very nice, right? Now see the second problem, my dear students. If cos a plus c by cos a minus b is equal, cos a minus c is equal to cos 2b, right, my dear students, then show that tan a, tan b, tan c are in geometric progression. This is what actually required to prove. You see, my dear students, once they are in geometric progression, right, what we require to prove is actually if tan a, tan b, tan c, they are in geometric progression. If they are in geometric progression, my dear students, what we require to second term by, right, tan b by tan a is equal to tan c by tan b, like this, tan c by tan b. That implies tan square b is equal to tan a into tan c, right? Tan a into tan c. This is what actually you have to prove. Tan square b equal to tan a into tan c. For this, this is what the given information like this, right? This is what the given information. That means what we have given, okay, this is what given. Cos of a plus c by cos of a minus c. This is equal to cos 2b by 1, like this. Suppose if we apply componendo dividendo method for this, let us see what we are going to get for this, right? Componendo dividendo method means if a by b is equal to c by d, then what we are going to get, a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d, right? This is what componendo dividendo method. What we are going to get, my dear students, cos of a plus c plus cos of a minus c divided by cos of a plus c minus cos of a minus c. This is equal to cos 2b plus 1 by cos 2b minus 1. This is what we are going to get, right? Now see, my dear students, cos a plus c plus cos a minus c. Cos a plus c formula is nothing but, right here we write cos a plus c thing is nothing but, right? You see, my dear students, cos a cos c minus sin a sin c. Cos a minus c is nothing but cos a cos c plus sin a sin c. That means plus sin a sin c minus sin a sin c will cancel. You are going to have here 2 cos a cos c, like this. Whole thing divided by, here also cos a cos c minus sin a sin c minus of cos a cos c minus sin a sin c. What you are going to get, cos a cos c will be cancelled and you are going to have 2 sin a sin c, like this, right? And this is equal to, right, cos a plus c minus cos a minus c means, you see, my dear students, cos a cos c minus sin a sin c. This is cos a cos c plus sin a sin c. Then minus cos a cos c. Here you are going to get minus 2 sin a sin c. Cos 2b plus 1, the formula is 2 cos square b. And right, 1 plus cos 2b. And 1 minus cos 2b is actually 2 sin square b. But we are having cos 2b minus 1. That means we can have minus 2 sin square b, like this, right? Here this minus minus we can cancel, 2 we can cancel, 2 we can cancel. To take the reciprocal, my dear students, if you take the reciprocal, what you are getting, sin square b by cos square b, like this. sin square b by cos square b is equal to, here also sin a sin c, this is now sin a sin c divided by cos a cos c, like this, cos a cos c. Sin square b by cos square b is nothing but tan square b is equal to, you have got tan a into tan c. This is what actually you have to prove. Already we told that tan square b equal to tan a tan c means tan a tan b tan c are in geometric progression. That is what actually we require to prove, my dear students, right? Hence we have got our proof, right? Now see this beautiful problem, my dear students. Show that tan 9 minus tan 27 minus tan 63 minus tan 81 degrees equal to 4. See, this is the problem, my dear students, what you are having here. Please observe, I am repeating once again. The problem is, show that tan 9 degrees minus tan 27 degrees minus tan 63 degrees minus tan 81 degrees is equal to 4. This is what actually we require to prove. How we are going to do? See, my dear students, the left hand side part, let us take, this is tan 9 degrees we are having here, minus tan 27 degrees, right, minus tan 63, you can write it as tan 90 minus 27, you can write, wonderful, minus tan 81, you can write it as tan 90 degrees minus 9 degrees, you can write like this, right. Now see, my dear student, this is equal to tan 9 degrees minus tan 27 degrees minus tan 90 minus theta, cot theta, this is now cot 27 degrees, like minus cot 9 degrees, this is what now, cot 9 degrees you are having like this. Now see, my dear student, we can write it as tan 9 degrees minus cot 9 degrees, right? Okay, and tan 9 minus cot 9 we have got here. Next one what we are having is this tan 27 plus cot 27, right? Like this we have tan 9 minus cot. Let us try to do this, my dear students. Tan 9 means sin 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees, right? Minus cos 9 degrees by sin 9 degrees, my dear students, minus, this is however sin 27 degrees by cos 27 degrees here, plus cos 27 degrees by sin 27 degrees, like this. See, my dear students, now let us try to take LCM part here. This is what we are having here, sin 9 degrees into cos 9 degrees. Here cos 9 is there, sin 9 not there, therefore this is sin square 9 degree minus cos square 9 degree, like this, minus, and here also you take LCM here, of course. If you take LCM part here, my dear students, what you are going to get is sin 27 degree into cos 27 degree, like this. Now this you are going to get sin square 27 degree plus cos square 27 degree, like this, right? And of course this is actually, I can write it as, right, my dear students, fine, we can write it as sin square 9 minus cos square 9. Of course this we can write it as like this, right? How we will write is, see, okay, see here, my dear students, here it is actually not minus, it is plus here. Now it is also plus here, right? Once it is plus, here it is also plus. Now this is plus sign, here it is plus, here it is plus, like this we have got here now. Now see, my dear students, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, we have here nicely 1 by, right, my dear students, what we are having is 1 by, right, sin 9 by cos 9 degrees. Just I will multiply and divide by 2. This I am going to get 2 sin 9 degree cos 9 degree minus, and here also this is also 1 by, okay, here also I will multiply and divide by 2, 1 into 2. This is also 2 sin 27 degree into cos 27 degree. This is what we have got here, like this. Now see, my dear students, this we can write it as something like this. Okay, this is 2 by 2 sin theta cos theta, sin 18 degrees, this sin 18 degrees minus 2 by, right, this is also 2 sin theta cos theta, sin, okay, 2 theta, sin 2 into 27, that is sin 54 degrees we have got like this, right? 2 by sine 18 degrees, root 5 minus 1 by 4. 4 will be going to the numerator like this. Minus 2 into sine 54 degrees, that equal to cos 36 degrees. That what we are going to get, root 5 plus 1 by 4. Root 5 plus 1 by 4. Here you will be getting like this. Now if you take LCM, my dear students, what we are going to get, you please observe, right, what we will be getting, that we will be doing it now. The LCM part is nothing but root 5 minus 1 into root 5 plus 1. That is nothing but, okay, a minus b into a plus b. That is now 5 minus, this is actually root 5 minus root 5 whole square minus 1 square. That is nothing but 4. Right, this equal to now, my dear students, 8. If we take common, root 5 plus 1, we will have here minus of root 5 minus means this is plus 1 minus root 5, this will cancel here. Now you have got 8 into, right, 2 by 4, 4 1 so 4 2 so. Now 2 into 2, 4. Beautifully we have got this problem. See how beautifully we have got this problem, my dear students. Here this is actually sine 18 degrees is root 5 minus 1 by 4. That will be coming there like this, right? And sine 54 degrees is nothing but 2 into root 5 plus 1 by 4. That will be coming there like this. Now we took just LCM, that is what, root 5 whole square minus 1 square. That is nothing but 4 of, however, 8 into, here 8 you can take common, however, root 5 plus 1 minus of that, minus root 5 plus 1. That will be cancelled and you got 8 into 2 by 4. That is equal to 4. In such a beautiful way we have got this particular problem, my dear students. You please observe, right? Now see, my dear students, so the next problem, it's a very important and star marked problem this, right? See, my dear students, here show that 1 plus cos 5 by 9 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 9 into 1 plus cos 5 pi by 9 into 1 plus cos 7 pi by 9 is equal to 9 by 16. See, my dear students, from this we are explaining all of the different models such that it will be very much helpful to you. Okay, fine, my dear students, how we are going to do this particular problem? We know that actually 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2, 2 cos square theta by 2. Let us use this particular thing here like this. In this, okay, the left hand side part, if you take, my dear students, 1 plus cos pi by 9, that is nothing but 2 cos square theta by 2. That means pi by 18 we are going to get, right? Pi by 18 we are going to get, okay, fine, into, next this also 2 cos square 3 pi by 18 you are going to get like this, right? Into this also 2 cos square 5 pi by 18, because by using this formula, like pi by 9 will become pi by 18 because by 2 we are having here. Now this is 2 into cos square 7 pi by 18 we are having like this. Now 2 into 2 into 2 into, that is now 2 power 4, that is 16, and this is now cos square 180 by 18. 180 by 18 means what? Cos square 10 degrees this, right? Into, we have, my dear students, now cos square, right, 3 pi by 18 means 30 degrees we are having here like this. Into cos square 50 degrees we are having here like this. Next, cos square 70 degrees we are having like this. Now this, you see, my dear students, here what you are having is cos square 30 value. We know that cos square 30 value is no root 3 by 2 whole square. This is what we are having. Next, the remaining things what we are having is cos 10, cos 50 degrees, cos 70 degrees you are having here. This whole square we have like this whole square, right? We know already, my dear students, I told you that one formula to you, right? What is that formula? Cos A into cos 60 minus A into cos 60 degrees plus A. If you do, right, we already got one formula for this. Now let us try to get that formula and we apply that. That is equal to cos 3A by 4. Okay, my dear students, this is what the formula we have here. Now if you take A equal to 10 degrees here, A equal to 10 degrees, cos 60 minus 10 cos 50. Cos 60 plus 10 degrees equal to cos 70. Now nicely we can apply. This is now 16 into root 3 by root 3 whole square means 3 by 4 into, this is now we can apply this formula cos 10. This is cos 3a, where a equal to 10 degrees. 3 into a, that is 30, cos 30 by 4 we are having like this. Now this is 16 into 3 into, right my dear student, cos 30 degrees, okay, whole square. This is what actually we are having here, whole square. This whole square cos 3a by 4, that whole square we are having here. Cos 30 degrees, you know that root 3 by 2 into 1 by 4, this whole square we are having like this. Now see my dear students, this is nothing but actually now 16 into 3 into, right, what we are having, root 3 whole square, that is however 3 by, right, what we will be having is, right, this is 2 square into 4 square like this. What we are having is 4 square, right, fine. You see my dear students, 30 degrees root 3 by 2 whole square into this what we are having here. Already 3 by 4 is also we are having here of course. 16 into 3 by 4, right. You see how we are going to write my dear students. This let us write here. We have here 16 into 3 by 4 into, this is cos 30 degrees whole square, that is root 3 by 2 whole square nana, and into 1 by 4 whole square like this. Now this is equal to 16 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 16. Now this 16 cancels, 3 into 3 9, 4 into 4 16. See how beautifully we have got this particular problem, 9 by 16. Now see Nana, you have got, you took actually left hand side and you got the right hand side part. See how nicely we have got this problem my dear students. You please observe. Okay, everyone, you have to maintain notes and clearly write those everything in notes. Okay, the management is asking to submit the notes, okay, with clear notes. Once we will be taking and give the signatures for you, because okay, that is going to happen. That's why you be ready with your complete and clear notes. That is most important. See my dear students, next what problem we are having is also very very important, right. If cos x minus y is equal to minus 1, show that cos x plus cos y equal to 0 and sin x plus sin y is equal to 0. Right? You see my dear students how we are going to do this particular problem. Right? They given that cos of x minus y is equal to minus 1. That means cos x plus cos, okay, cos x minus y, that means cos x into cos y. Cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y is equal to minus 1, right? Cos x into cos y, sin x into sin y is equal to minus 1. This is what we are given like that. Now, actually, you see, my dear students, this is what they have given. This is given, and we need to prove this, or this is given. We need to prove this. Both things. If anything you prove, then it will be sufficient, right? Let us see that will it be true, okay, by taking, they give, okay, like this. This has to be proved. If this is given, we need to prove this, and if this is given, we need to prove this. That way also we can do that, of course. Right, my dear students, how we are going to do this part is, suppose if we assume that cos x plus cos y equal to 0, that means cos x is equal to minus cos y. This is what actually we require to prove. And sin x plus sin y is equal to 0. That means sin x is equal to minus sin y, like this. Sin x is equal to minus sin y, right? Now if you apply in this, you see cos x plus minus cos y into cos y plus sin x plus minus sin y into sin y, you are having like this. Now this is minus cos square y minus sin square y right? And this is minus of cos square y plus sin square y, like this. And this is minus 1. And it is true. It is minus 1. That means these are all true. Which are true? These are true. These are all true means what? This is true, like this. Okay. If these are not true, then we may not have got this as minus 1. Right? Which one? This one. Okay, we have got actually minus this cos x into cos y. In the place of cos x, we taken minus cos y. That is now minus cos square y minus sin square. In the place of sin x, we have. That means this is true means these are all true. Okay, those are all true means we have got our proof. Cos x equal to minus cos y is true. Sin x equal to minus sin y is true. Once these are true means that means what? Cos x plus cos y equal to 0 is true. Sin x plus sin y equal to 0 is true. That means these two things are proved by verifying like this. This is the one trick how we will do this particular problem. See now this problem, sixth problem, my dear students, what we require to prove. So that cos 2 theta into cos 2 pi plus sin square theta minus pi minus sin square theta plus pi is equal to cos of 2 theta plus 2 pi. This is what we require to prove, my dear students. How we are going to do? You know one thing, we know that sin square A minus sin square B, right? Remember this formula. This is equal to actually sin A plus B into sin A minus B. This is actually sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Sin square A minus sin square B is equal to sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Let us use this fact in our problem, right? Now you take the left hand side, that is equal to cos 2 theta into cos 2 pi, right? Plus here sin square A minus sin square B. In this place we are going to use sin A plus B. That means theta minus pi plus, right? Sin, this is A, actually this is B, like this. Sin A plus B. A plus B means theta plus pi sin A plus B into sin A minus B. A is what? Theta minus pi minus theta minus pi, what we are having like this. Right, my dear students? Once we got the thing like this, right, dear students, what we have here is cos 2 theta into cos 2 pi plus sine of, you have here, right, my dear students, is minus pi plus pi will cancel here. That means you have sine 2 theta into, this is here, which one cancel? Theta and sine of minus 2 pi. This is what actually sine of minus 2 pi we are having like this. You know, my dear students, sine of minus theta become minus sine theta. Therefore, this is what we have here now, cos 2 theta into cos 2 pi, right? Sine of minus theta become minus sine theta. Therefore, you have here minus sine 2 theta into sine 2 pi. That minus sine we got here like this, right, my dear students? Now once we have got the thing like this, cos 2 theta cos 2 pi minus sine 2 theta sine 2 pi, cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. This is nothing but cos 2 theta plus 2 pi, like this, right? Beautifully we have taken actually the left hand side and we have got the right hand side part, my dear students. Please observe this problem, how nicely we have got this, right? Just by applying this thought, you have to get sin square A minus sin square B equal to sin A plus B into sin A minus B. This thought, if you get, this problem is over. And one more request for you, all the students. Already the management and the principals are sent you the notice to you through WhatsApp and messages. This opportunity is a great opportunity for your parents. They are giving 20% discount if you pay the total fees. It is a very good opportunity, my dear students. However, okay, our physical classes also immediately will start, of course, once the state government is planning. Once the state government plans, your classes will be starting. Okay, that will be no more, not much more time is there. Therefore, my sincere request, you ask your parents to pay the fees to avail 20% of the scholarship or the discount they are giving, because on considering the COVID situation, if you pay the amount, it will not be banned. Okay, because some students were banned to watch the videos, to watch the classes from School Pro app, to avoid uncertainties. Okay, my dear students, I request you ask your parents to pay the fees with 20% discount. It is never will happen in New Vision. It is actually happened now, means utilize this opportunity, pay the fees and support the management, support your teachers and their families. Okay, thank you very much, my dear students. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Still, if you are not subscribed, ask your friends to subscribe and share the content, important content among yourself. Thank you very much.